Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon printer. I have Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I can show you how to configure and how to automatically calibrate printhead alignment using embedded web server. If you have no, I don't know, access to the printer's screen, maybe your screen is disabled or something, so you can do it all using embedded web server. So to do it, just open embedded web server, find here utilities, and find here auto head alignment. Then click yes and wait a while. So great, as you can see, the calibration page was printed, and here we have this triangle, I don't know, on the left top corner of the paper. And now we need to align this paper in this way. Now as you can see here we have the picture how to do it. So we need to align this corner in this way on our scanner. So open the cover. As you can see, you need to open the cover, then insert the paper in the way you see on the pictures, and then just close the cover. Wait a while. Install this paper card property, align it, and click "Did the patterns print correctly?" Click yes, and click yes again. Wait a while. Okay, done. That's it. Now click OK and bye. See you.